toughest, most demanding jobs, it starts with a mindset. I will not quit. I will not tire. I will gladly do the overtime. When the job gets bigger, takes longer, and demands more, I need tools that are as tenacious as I am. Tools I can count on. An air tool that transcends the tests of time. They're my weapons. My allies. My strength. My livelihood. An air tool engineered for any challenge. Day or night, rain or shine. Endless hours and tireless shifts. Jet R12 Series Air Tools, engineered for overtime.